Man, the sad thing is I know people my age in their 40s, early 40s, and still paying off college debt. Uh, and so when you think about that's like 20 years, over 20 years of being in debt. But what's even sadder than that is that they have the degree, but they're like doing something that has nothing to do with their degree. So when they want to start a business, the first thing they're saying is, well, I don't want to get a loan because that'll put me in debt. And I'm like, man, do you realize like you're in debt for something that didn't even help you? And this might come off harsh to some people and it might hurt their feelings. If it does, I'm happy that it does because it's touching a nerve. See, we got to look at the way we were taught about education and things like that. And I tell people, I'm not against anyone working for whoever they want to. I'm definitely not against the education system or people going to college and university. What I am is against people wasting their time because they don't know what they want. And so we have generations of people that are 18 and they immediately start to put themselves in debt behind something that they think they want, and they go to school for 4 semesters or whatever, and they're in thousands of $10, $20, $30,000 of debt, then they change their mind. Somebody's benefiting from this, but it ain't you. I said I'm gonna make the decision to focus on helping people decide what they want. So to keep you out of debt, right? To keep you from indebting yourself. So to the college students that are in school, take as much time that you take to listen to the music you love or to hang with your friends. Take some time and sit to yourself and decide what the heck do you want to do? Do you really want to indebt yourself all this money? And is it going to pay off in that field? Are you taking it serious? Are you being serious with your parents? Are you being serious with the government? Are you being serious with the school, the institution that you're going to? Because at the end of the day, you're the one that's going to be in debt. And it's going to affect your credit, right? And so take the time and say, I'm going to go hard at this and I want it to pay off. So the people that are serious, well, that debt is worth it because, if you become the doctor, you become the lawyer, then that debt that amounts to nothing to you accomplishing what you want to. And you're obviously in the field that you love to do, and you're definitely making the money that you need. And so it's worth paying off the debt. The loan made sense, right? But if you go into a car dealership and you want that, right now you want that truck, and that truck costs you, it's an $80,000 truck, right? And I say, but your credit's not good, but I got this company over here, they can loan you the money, but you're gonna pay like a 28% interest, right? And you just, man, I know that's what I want, man. I just want to ride in that car, and it's good. It's good for 2 years, right? But then, you're not in mom and dad's house no more. This is not going on no more. You paying all this. You paying where you live. You paying all your utilities. You got to keep up with insurance, and you got this high truck note, and you're on a high interest rate. So it's going to take you damn near 10 years before you can pay it off. By then the warranty's gone. So you created a lot of bad debt, right? Because you just made an emotional decision. And that's what happens with a lot of college students. That's what happened to me. That's what happened to me, and I've been there. So we've got to look at where we're at in life and what do we want out of life. And to the young, college students, the world is yours. The world is yours, but you don't have to rush things. So take time and focus and say, is this what I want? And am I willing to go through this and sacrifice? Am I willing to indebt myself knowing that it might take me, 10 years to pay off of this debt? Is it worth it? And if you can't consciously say that and answer that, don't waste anybody's time or money. Don't indebt yourself. So think about it. You got the power. It's your world. Young people are changing the whole world. And I love people that are going to college and universities and know exactly what they want and know what they want to do. And they want to excel in whatever industry or field that they're in. But the other ones that are wasting people's time and wasting money and indebting themselves, I ain't feeling that. So make better decisions.